Hi. To cut your own hair, you will need clippers with attachment guards, a spray bottle, a mirror, a pair of sharp scissors, and a regular comb. Put a number 3 attachment guard on your clippers and start cutting the sides, moving towards the back of your head. Remember to keep the hair dry. It is nearly impossible to cut wet hair properly with clippers. Start from temple area and go up to approximately 2 fingers above your ear. Keep going up and fading out. Don't go too high, as you need to leave room for blending. You need to pull your ear down and work your way up to the occipital bone, or the line where the head begins to curve. Keep the consistent technique all the way around your head, going up and fading out to leave smooth line for blending. It is important to go against the natural direction of the hair growth to have a nice, clean, and precise haircut. When you reach the other side of your head, remember to keep the same level around your temple area at approximately 2 fingers above your ear. Next, blend the top into the sides. Change the attachment guard to number 4. Start to blend the shorter hair into the longer hair above. Use the fading out motion to cut only a tip of the hair of your blending line. Go approximately 2 fingers above your blending line. Start blending from one side of your head and move smoothly towards the back and the other side of your head. Don't put any pressure on your clippers. Remember, move your hand with the clippers nice and steady, up and out. Next step, tapering hairline. Change the attachment guard to number 2. Start tapering along the hairline and go towards the back and other side of the head. Fold your ear down to get a more accurate cut. Don't taper too high, go up only a little bit above your hairline. Once you reach the back of your head, put the clippers upwards into your hand, as it makes it easier to work with. Tapering along the hairline will create gradually fade into your haircut and will make it look more natural. Next step, clean up along the hairline. Take the attachment guard off, as you will need to work with zero blade now. Remember while cutting around the ears to pull them down to get a more accurate cut. Don't cut too much into your natural hairline. Otherwise, you can end up with the white marked lines. It would be ideal if someone could help with the back of your head to create a nice straight line. Try to trim only the edges and excessive hair of your neck. Otherwise, clean up the hairline around the back of the neck with the clippers attachment number 1. Don't go too high, only a little bit above your hairline. Once the sides and back are finished, you can move on to the top section. If you want, cut the upper part with scissors. Or you can do it with the machine's clips 6 and 7. First option. So make sure to wet the hair, as that will make it much easier to cut. First, you need to cut a guideline. It's an imaginary line, from the forehead to the crown, the center of the head. Cut the hair to the length you want between your index and middle fingers, following the natural head shape and moving towards crown area. Your guideline is now done. From now on, cut in sections next to guideline to the one side of the head. When starting a new section, always take a little bit of hair from the previously cut section, as you can see here. This is how you will know the length to cut in the new section. Move to the other side of the head and repeat the same technique, cutting section by section. Second option. If you want long tops, choose size 7. If you want shorter tops, choose size 6 and start cutting. And keep your hair dry before doing this process. You can cut your hair from right to left and left to right. If no more hair comes to the shaver, you are done. Next step, styling. Firstly, be sure to comb out all loose hair and trimmings. Dry the hair thoroughly with a hairdryer. Finish the look by using your preferred hairstyling product. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this self-haircut video and learned something new. Make sure to leave any questions in the comments below and give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful.